Okay, it's Roger once again, Mudfossil University with Devil's Tower, and in less than 2 minutes I will prove to you that this is the foot from some giant creature, and all of the anatomical details are here that prove this. First thing is, it's cut flat as a pancake at the top. That is called the abrupt transition. This wrinkly zone up here is the zone where the tendinous fibrils, which are these, which are under extreme pressure, they are tendons, they wrinkle at the top. This fibrils are all CaCO3 porphyritic limestone, not marine limestone. Porphyritic means they have other inclusions in them, minerals that are part of connective tissue. The reason that they're separated is fascia. Alright, the reason that they're hex is because they're hex. The reason that they're separated is because of what's called the fascia. They come down into tiny little fibers. That's just the nature of tendons, and they are CaCO3, the same thing that limestone is, CaCO3, calcium carbonates. Alright, this tells the whole story. When the tendons break, they make that little wrinkly zone. That's the abrupt transition. They break literally flat as a pancake. These are the fibrils. That is the ball that is in the ground. That's just the way it is, and that is what is at Devil's Tower, and they are all over the earth. Whenever you see that wrinkled transition at the top, that was a tendon. Okay, this is called HD drone video of Devil's Tower, Wyoming. Now, look at what you're seeing here. There's the foot, there's the heel. It comes out this way. That is a no-toe. All this red stuff is all blood. That's all from bloody erosive tissues. There's a big difference between this, which is the limestone CaCO3 mineralized structural components of your body, and these fleshy components. Alright, here's Devil's Tower. Now there's the Devil's Tower. That was that big foot. Now look at this. You see this down here? Nobody ever noticed this? This is not something you'd see every day. That's a crosshatch of a tissue type of muscle. So that's what it is. And it's all over the place here. I mean, this is not just in one spot. The guy died, and the stuff that erodes fell over and eroded, and some of it is seen. Okay, just quickly to finish up, this Mudfossil University, which is the home of truth throughout the world, and literally the only home of truth in the university system right now. We don't adhere to dogma. We don't listen to Einstein's theory of E equals mc squared when he says that light has no mass, and therefore light would have no energy. So there's so much that's wrong. It's time to pay attention to the things that are wrong and think about them. And that's what we do here. And up here we have at Mudfossil University a plethora of videos, and Max Planck and Harvard University have confirmed mudfossil DNA. Harvard has confirmed our light research, done the exact same experiments that we sent to them a year or so ago. Everything in this video arena here on Mudfossil University is confirmed, and we stand behind every word, and it's never been challenged successfully. So anyone that, when we have new species and all kinds of things. See, look. There's statues over here. Egyptian statue has a mummy inside of it. There's his ribs. It's crazy what's out there that's being overlooked. Alright, so come to Mudfossil University on YouTube. And also, if you want, you can go to Mudfossil Originally Research Group on Facebook. And Science Mystery Solved, something like that. Science Mystery Solved, I think, is what we have, the third one. All right, thank you.